Hey guys, Ryan here at Signature Edits, and inside of this video, I'm going to show you a really simple hack that you can use to save up to 75% off of your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. It's quick, it's easy, and I think it's really going to save you some money. So let's hit that intro and get into it. Alright, so this video is actually pretty straightforward. All you're going to do is head to adobe.com and you're going to sign into your account. So I'm just going to put in my username here. And once you've signed in, you're going to want to click this little icon in the top right that has your profile, hit View Account, and now we're going to manage our account. And this trick is really quite amazing. I just found it. Previously, I've done something similar to this where I spoke with Adobe customer service, and if you tell them you're going to cancel your account, they'll offer you a discount. Well, I was kind of messing around in here, actually canceling my account to switch it to a different country. But while I was doing that, I discovered this little trick. So we're going to go to View Your Plan. And you can see my plan right now is Creative Cloud All Apps. I'm going to hit Cancel Plan. Now this isn't going to cancel your plan right away. You're going to have to verify your identity first. So sign in again. And after that has happened, you should be able to see your different options here. They're going to say, okay, why are you canceling? I'll say, it's too much money. Okay, sounds good to me. Hit Continue. And they're going to do some tricky things to try and convince you to actually do something different, like change your plan instead of cancel. So hit No Thanks. And from there, it'll show you what you're going to miss out on. Okay, hit Continue. Then we get to Offers, and bam, just like that, they'll give you your same plan for 2 free months, or you can have an extremely crazy discount from $76 a month down to $22 a month for me if I want to keep this plan for the entire year. So it's really that simple. You just select whatever offer it is that comes up, and you've saved yourself some money on Adobe Creative Cloud. So if this video was helpful, do me a big favor. Can you leave a comment below, hit that thumbs up button. And again, if you actually use this trick, can you just let me know below in the comments if it worked for you, if you got a better offer or a worse one, or it didn't work at all. I'd like to just help other people out. Leave your kind of results in the comments and we'll share that with everybody. All right, see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe if you want more content, tutorials, and resources like this one. Take care.
How much, quick? What? It's for the wife. Oh, 20 shekels. Right. What? They were. Wait a minute. Oh, we're supposed to haggle. No, I've got to get... What do you mean, no?
I haven't got time.
Well, give it back then.